Hey guys, it's Santiago with Rogue Van Company. We are at the last day of the Adventure Van Expo in San Juan Capistrano. I've got our brand new Rogue Meridian. This is one of our most popular, quickest selling floor plans right now. We're gonna do a full tour, walk you through all the details, the design decisions, what we're gonna be doing with these in the future. Let's make it happen. So as you can see, we're in a nice grassy field here. We've got our Baja Champions, the AT3s, 265, 70, 17. It's a relatively conservative tire size for us. These are mounted on black Rhino Arsenal wheels in a black finish. Van Compass 4.3 kit. In the rear, when we go over there, you'll see we've got the OptiRate leaf pack to deal with the extra weight from the conversion. Line-X fender flares, Line-X plastics. This van's got a really nice kind of balance of rugged off-road features while still maintaining really good highway drivability. Behind me, we've got the Owl Van's fixed steps. Does a really good job of protecting the vehicle, letting you step on and off, giving you, a little bit more comfort when you're getting in and out of the door. And let's go to the front. Up here, we've got the Triple R Owl Van's grille lights, complemented by the Owl Pismo bumper, Warn 12S winch. Up top, we've got our Rome-built flat pack roof rack, Fiamma awning on the side. We've got our 360 Baja Designs S2 lights that we do for scene work lights. And then of course, we've got this really cool camera system that we've never done before. It's a 360 camera system, similar to the 360 cam system that you use when you're driving. However, this cam system is used for security. We'll dive into that later, but you can see the front camera up top there as well. So over here on the side, we've got our dueling Rome-built ladders, and we've actually adopted them to have flatline surf holders. I like these surfboard holders the best out of any surfboard holders in the industry. They've got this awesome swivel motion. They've got these tie-down points that are integrated. You can use ratchet straps, you can use bungees, whatever works. We've got a top bar and a low bar, and we've made them work with these Rome-built ladders. I think it's awesome. Little custom things that customers requested, hooks, things like that, our standard shore and water ports. You can see a little bit better the Line-X plastics on the side. We've got our OptiRate leaf springs to handle the added load in the rear, and that's the side. Over here in the rear, we've got our Owl Vans B2 monster box. We've got the bike arms, dueling one-up racks. We've got a spare tire carrier, and we've got a trash bag holder back here. If we open up the rear, we've got our Canyon Adventure Vans rear door struts. I can't say enough about these. They work so well. They take all the load off the doors, super easy to open and close. It's a really good workflow in addition to your van. Now, let's move into the interior. So the Rogue Meridian is all about seat 4, sleep 4 functionality. We've got an Alpine VanWorks dual bench seat. It swivels like this so that it can face the aisle. That allows you to easily walk forwards and backwards through the center aisle. The driver and passenger seat also swivel. And what that kind of does is it gives you this sort of miniature hangout space up front. Of course, we have our dueling bench bed combo in the rear, which you can also use, for playing board games, hanging out as a family, with your friends, eating dinner, all that kind of good stuff. But again, the seat 4, sleep 4 functionality is really what this floor plan is all about. We wanted a floor plan that could give you full shower, closet, different amenities. We have pop top options if you want to add an extra bed. And it really excels in what it does, which is a full-time camping vehicle that you can take on the road or on trips, whatever you want to do, weekend warrior. The Rogue Meridian has it. So something you're going to immediately notice about this van is these really striking colors. This product is called Paperstone. It's super cool. It's being manufactured in Washington. It's like a composite recycled paper veneer. We've got it mounted up on 1/2" and 3/4 Baltic birch. We use a lot of 1/2" now because we're trying to save on weight. The Baltic birch in 3/4 is, just for like strong structural components. That's complemented by a lot of this like light butcher block. We've got this beautiful white oak slat ceiling that we hand milled and created here. We've got a white oak floor. We've got white oak header here on the bed. It's a lift lower bed. Really like nice, warm, kind of bohemian colors. I think it's really cool. This is a customer van, so they chose everything. I think it's super unique, and I think it really kind of exemplifies, you know, what it means to go through our process. You know, this is a standard layout from Rogue, but you come in, you choose your fit and finish. You come to our showroom in Carlsbad. You know, we've got samples like this like beautiful copper shower. We've got, you know, different samples of cabinetry, and you can kind of choose whatever you want to do. And that's what is really special about the Rogue process is, you know, this in itself is not incredibly custom in the sense that, you know, the floor plan and everything is a fixed model that we already do, but you know, all the finishes and the trimmings and everything like that, and like little integrations of things is kind of what makes it yours. And that's what we do here at Rogue. Some cool things that jump out at me. We've got the CR130 fridge. It's a forward-facing fridge. And our customers wanted a countertop extension drawer. So matching butcher block, finished in the same way that this one is finished. If you want to remove it, you can pop it out, and then you actually have a functional drawer. This is just an insert that we have, and it really easily pops in and out of the drawer. Pop that back in. We've got our control panel. This is a full Victron system. Currently getting about 366 watts of solar. We've got a 48 volt battery bank. We're sitting at 53.5 volts, so we've got a pretty good charge going. We've got our bed lift control here. That's going to put the bed up and down. We've got our awning control. We just made these in matching switches. All of our little inscribed pieces on our control panel. We've got our gray water dump, our fresh water dump, tank pad heaters for winterization. So if you're going to go into cold climates, you click this button and then it's a thermostatic control, keeps your tanks from freezing. We've got the fresh water pump here, and then this is a switch for the toe kick lights. If we move over here, we have our Rixon's control. So we have full Rixon's furnace. This is a 4 Seasons van. It's got beautiful radiant heat. We've got toe kick heaters here. Really evenly distributes the heat through the van, one towards the rear, one towards the front. And again, guys, a Rixon's heater is going to give you a beautiful beautiful moist heat, right? It's not dry like the forced air furnaces. It's a closed loop glycol system. It, you know, blows across that radiator grill, and it gives you just a really nice even heat, which is just a pleasure to use and enjoy. Below that, we've got our other HVAC component, which is the cruising comfort. And if you've seen any of our other videos, you probably know that we keep the cruising comforts split between the passenger seat base under the van and the blower motor and everything like that, installed in an in-cab shelf built into our front bulkhead. We're definitely the originators of that kind of workflow with cruising comfort. Took a while for us to get it together, but it works so well, and it's such a good use of space because it's super efficient. Not going to use it for anything else. Yeah, so let's take a look at some other things in the van. So over here, this is our main kitchen workflow area. We've got this nice little insert here. Pop that in and out. Got a dimmer for the overhead lights, outlet, USB stack. This is pretty cool. This is our camera system. So this is a 360 camera system. Gives you all of these different views. You know, it's like the middle of the night. You're like, what was that noise? What's going on? What's going on in my van? Top-down view. I mean, this thing is really cool. You can see everything. And we have a lot of different camera solutions, right? We're always trying new things. We're always kind of implementing different systems so our customers can give it a shot. People bring us stuff to us too. They're like, hey, do you mind installing this? And we're like, yeah, why don't we try it? So we've got our HVAC controls right here, the cruising comfort, the Rixons, classic overhead cabinets from Rogue. Again, this is a customer van, so we've got some stuff in here, different organization things. Our classic hinges, our Blum hinges. This is a remote that actually controls this. This is a remote for the overhead max fans. We have one in the rear, we have one in the forward. And then over here in the kitchen, we've got a flip down counter. And this little flip out surface is what, you know, enables you to access custom little microwave oven that our customers really wanted us to incorporate in the build. I think that's really neat. That's wired in the rear. And then we have 2 super big drawers. Tons of storage. We've got a double stack of those. Soft close on everything. And if I flip over, I've got Nice little hanging surface. And I've got a bunch of skinny little drawers that I can use for a ton of different stuff, which of course brings me to the shower. So we've got this awesome copper shower. Our customers wanted a really cool copper fit and finish. We got the oil rubbed bronze fixture. We've got this Nautilus shower door. We've got the Laveo dry flush toilet, not permanently mounted. It's on a base. You can remove it. You can take it in and out. Easy to use. You can fit in here. You can remove it if you want to have more space, or you can keep it in and kind of dodge around it. Works really well for what our customers need. And then over here, we've got a floor-to-ceiling pantry cabinet. So we sized this so that you could fit a bottle of wine, all the kinds of like package type things, the dry goods that you would keep in a pantry. We kind of wanted to size it appropriately for that. And again, this is a new floor plan, so we're just kind of figuring out, okay, we have these two seats here. We have this really large bench bed area in the rear so that we can have like effective and efficient bunk beds. We want to have a decent sized shower. We want to give you a little bit of closet space. We want to have, you know, pantry and storage space. So it's just a balance of finding everything and making it work together. So we've got our Euroloft lift lower bed in the rear here. Super cute the way that this is all done up. Our Chillowich walls, brown leather accents, the blue, everything. I think it just came together really nice. So the lift lower bed is meant to, this isn't as, it goes down farther, and you can use it east to west as well as north to south. This is about a 74-inch sleeping space. I only have it part of the way down because I have the front and rear lagoon tables still in place right now so that we can lift this up and kind of look at it. We'll be able to go through all that in a minute and show you how that all kind of works together. But yeah, if you wanted to use the bed, you know, in a bunk bed kind of setup, you know, this is probably right around the height you would do. You could go up a little bit more, so we'll just kind of pop this up a little bit. And then the idea, of course, is that you could make the bottom into a bench bed combo. Got a bed set up underneath, have a bed set up here. You could also have a rooftop tent. I mean, you could be sleeping up to 6 people. Oh, and we've got a kabunk system in the front, which is super cool. So, I mean, you could be sleeping even 8 people in this van. It would be a tight fit, but there's people that want that and need that. The point is we have options. So anyway, super easy to get the bed up. We just hold on to the button here and we let it go into the ceiling. We can compress the bedding a decent amount. So we just let that go up like that. Motor's just gonna naturally stop where it wants to go. And then boom, let's go check out the rear. So sitting in the back, got my beautiful matching slat wall. We totally refinished the underside of the bed. You can't see the motor, you can't see anything. You've got these gorgeous lights that are inset into the tracks. So the idea in the floor plan here is, you know, this is gonna be the area where you can hang out and do things. We have 2 kind of dueling lagoon tables here. The idea being that, you know, you can be using this lagoon table for something, using this other lagoon table for another thing. There's not like a giant table kind of in your way, preventing you from, you know, easily like disconnecting this, moving it somewhere else. We have various other lagoon mounts located throughout the vans. There's a ton of different ways that we can use these lagoon tables. So you got these 2, there's another one that stores in the bench, and then that's what fills in the centerpiece to make the bed down here. These cushions pop off, slide into the center, and that's what makes the lower bed. So yeah, we're gonna be doing more van tours, more cool stuff. Our showroom and build center is open and ready for business. We just had our grand opening in Carlsbad. Super excited. So many things in the pipeline right now. Really excited for you guys to stay tuned. Again, we're at 6110 Corte del Cedro in Carlsbad, California. Our design center's open, our showroom's open, our install center's open. Love to have you guys there. Give us a follow, give us a call. We'll be in touch. Thanks for watching.